Are you looking to streamline your business processes, reduce costs, and increase the security of your valuable documents? Well, I want to introduce you to the game-changing solution from Seal Systems. That's called Enterprise Output Management. At Seal Systems, we are experts in enterprise output solutions, and our mission is to organize the distribution of information and documents within your company. No matter where the challenges lie, whether it's managing large printer landscapes, ensuring the secure delivery of documents to external suppliers and customers, or streamlining approval processes, Seal Systems has the perfect solution for you. We've already helped countless medium and large companies simplify their document workflows and enhance document security. As a matter of fact, you can check them out with our success stories in the link below. And now, we're ready to help you too. It doesn't matter if you need 3D PDFs from CAD files or want your email securely archived as PDFs. Our experts always find the perfect solution tailored to your unique needs. We've proven time and time again that our modular system is incredibly versatile, enabling us to create customized solutions that add the most value to your company. We believe in making things simple, efficient, and secure. That's why we offer digital distribution processes for email, fax, and portal solutions too. So, if you're ready to revolutionize the way your company handles documents and information, it's time to partner with Seal Systems. Let us reduce costs, increase security, and simplify your business processes. Navigate to the page below and take your business to the next level. Together, we'll create a brighter and more efficient future for your company. Talk to you soon.